This GTP car turned out pretty good. I had a few little issues. When I masked this off, I didn't come up far enough, and I spray painted everything. And when I put the decals on, I noticed that was enough. I did have this paint that matched decently. The only problem was when I painted it, it kind of seeped through the decal. That's one little issue. Same thing here, wasn't masked off right. It matches pretty good though. You know, kind of. You can kind of really tell on this part. And there was a little bit of a mess with the decal, but this is an older kit. Mid to late 80s, I think it came out. I had it before. I just didn't have many skills back then when I did that one. Yeah, the body comes off, the hood opens, and turned out pretty good except for those couple of spots. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the little bell for notifications for when